देश बदल रहा है और बदल रहे हैं देश के पुलिस ऑफिसर। हमें गर्व है कि हम राष्ट्र के योद्धाओं को अच्छी सेहत प्राप्त करने में अपना योगदान दे पा रहे हैं। भारतीय पुलिस सेवाओं में स्वास्थ्य परिवर्तन, भारतीय पुलिस के स्वास्थ्य के लिए आवश्यकता और अधिकांश अस्थिर पेशे में फिटनेस बनाए रखने के लिए आइए देखें और सुने पोषण आहार विशेषज्ञ मनाली वोरा की ये सलाह।
Hello everyone, I'm dietitian Manali Bora and today we are going to talk about our nation warriors and our saviors, about police officers. The duty of a police officer is very difficult, and it's more difficult than playing any sport for 90 minutes because they are always on its toes and they are always under emotional and mental pressure as well as physical pressure because they have to run here and there for maintaining the law and order of the country. So amidst all this, they fail to maintain their fitness and nutritional level of their body. So here I am to give you few tips about how a police officer, no matter how much ever busy a police officer can be, he can also maintain his fitness level by following these few tips. So firstly we will start with nutritional tips. The first step is to avoid empty calories. I understand that they cannot carry their lunch or food from home because they are always on duty or patrolling outside. They are on duty on patrolling outside. So when they are having something from outside, they can avoid having empty calories, avoid having chips or trans fats or any other fried food which will tend to fat gain in their body. So and they can also try to swap this food. This is a second tip. They can try to swap this food with healthy food choices. For example, they can try swapping a French fry with a salad or a fruit maybe. They can also try to swap sodas and liquors with black coffee. That can really be a good metabolic booster. They can also try green tea instead of any tea or normal tea, regular tea, which they tend to have a lot in a day. Third thing, what they can do is they can buy a lunch. If they're buying a complete lunch from outside, if they're buying a complete thali from outside, they can avoid having puris or rice or papad in the thalis, and they can swap these things with chapati and buttermilk or curd or one more additional sabzi of their choice if the restaurant allows. So these are some choices which they can make, and they can avoid at least gaining a lot of fat in their body. Third thing, I advise all the officers to have nutrient dense food. Whichever state they belong to, there are some local foods which are rich in good carbs and complex carbs and protein. So these things they can obviously opt for every time. For example, if in Maharashtra, they can opt for a low oil usal or a misal of their choice, or maybe they can opt for a sprout salad or maybe a sabzi with sprouts or something like that. They can have a झुणका bhakar or maybe thali peet. I'm just talking about some food options in Maharashtra as of now. So these are some healthy options which they can try. And apart from this, if they are trying to have any packed rolled food, so they can for example, if they are planning to have a burger, they can have their patties or which can be shallow fried, and they can have these patties and vegetables wrapped in in the leaves of lettuce, or they can avoid the bread part of it, and they can avoid the French fries, as I said, with the side salad or a fruit, and other officers who are always at who are not patrolling and always at their offices, sitting at the office, I advise them to carry their meal from home. This will allow them to restrict themselves from having any outside food, because it's a normal human psychology that when you are carrying a food from your house, when you already have a lunch box with you, you tend to avoid having food from outside, because you mentally know that okay, I have a food choice with me, and which वो मुझे वही खाना है, I have a dabba with me which I have to have. So you will not go and tend to eat anything outside. But when you don't carry food from your home, so it happens that you tend to choose something which your colleagues are choosing, or maybe you tend to choose some a non-healthier option which is which can lead to fat gain in your body. Fourth thing is your calorie output should be more than your calorie input. Just going, some officers think that okay, they'll have less food and they'll make their body go calorie deficit. This will not work, because unless and until you are not burning out your calories sufficiently, your calorie deficit body will also not tend to fat loss. Their body will go to a camel mode, and then ultimately at the end of the day there would be no energy. Important to burn your calories, and rather than avoid having good calories. So sometimes people try to avoid eating, and they go on a fasting mode and be calorie deficit, but this doesn't work every time, because they're not burning out the calories. Their metabolism is not at all high, so definitely they're not going to lose any fat from their body. They will their muscle mass gets deteriorated, as well as at the end of the day they feel restless, and after few days what happens is they tend to stop dieting, or stop their body from going to calorie deficit level, and tend to eat more, which leads to again fat gain double than what it was before. So please don't, it's an advice to all my police officers that please don't go calorie deficit, rather try burning out more calories. I'll let you know how to burn more calories in the fitness tip section. Fifth thing which I would like to advise is having sufficient water and oxygen. It is very important for fat burning. Now if you talk about oxygen, you will say हम सांस तो ले ही रहे हैं, so what's so new about oxygen? Your oxygen does not really reach your muscles and the fibers of your muscles unless and until your body is well hydrated. Yes, if your body is not well hydrated, water, which we tend to avoid every time, is a really key component for a healthy body. If your body is not hydrated, the oxygen in your body will not reach your fiber part of your muscles, and definitely it will not lead to any fat loss, even if your body is calorie deficit. So being calorie deficit, boosting up your metabolism, burning of your calories, staying hydrated, swapping your foods with healthy food choices will definitely lead to fat loss. For any police officer who's on duty, who's not able to have their lunch and dinner or in their meals on time, these few options and changes in their routine will definitely help them to achieve their goals in no time. Now we shall go to some fitness tips that if they are busy, if the police officer is busy, how can he tend to keep himself fit? And there are no maybe in the nearby area they don't have good gyms, or they don't have any other options where they can work out, or maybe due to their duty timings they are unable to work out. So these are I'll recommend three exercises, basic three exercises, and the pattern of following that exercises, which will definitely help them burn more calories and definitely boost their metabolism as well, and they'll definitely achieve their fitness levels. So firstly, I recommend the first thing which I recommend for them is stretching. Yes, stretching is very important, because the life of a police officer is like, for one moment he's sitting on his table, and the other moment if something happens he has to jump out of his car and run behind a thief or whatever, a criminal. So in these things, many a times it is found that the police officer gets injured, his muscles get torn, and this is the way he hurts his muscles. So if the lower back muscles and leg muscles especially are well stretched daily, this won't happen, their muscles won't get torn. So stretching is really important, and while stretching there should be a the stretching should be with good inhales and exhales, meaning the stretching should be for 4 to 5 minutes with good inhales of 3 to 4 minutes, and then a full exhale. It should not be very fast stretching of your muscle. So this is how stretching should be done, especially for the lower back and legs. So for 4 to 5 minutes, and in that 4 to 5 minutes there should be 3 to 4 minutes of inhales, and the rest 2 minutes should go for complete exhales. Second most important fitness regime that they can follow is a quick workout pattern. I mean, a quick workout pattern meaning they can for any workout such as push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, lunges, abdominal and lower back workouts. Combining all these things for 20 minutes, 20 minutes a day can really help them achieve their fitness levels. The intensity of this workout matters. You don't need heavy machines or any other trainer to train you for this. These are some basic exercises like squats, lunges, crunches, reverse crunches, and sit-ups, pull-ups, push-ups, chin-ups. These are some basic exercises which you get to see in YouTube, and you can learn quickly. And obviously these police officers do pass their fitness test before entering into this police things, so that they definitely know these exercises, and they can try this for 20 minutes a day, and I am sure the flexibility along with quick workout patterns will definitely lead to good fitness in their body. Third workout plan which I suggest is pyramiding, a pyramid workout plan. Pyramid workout plan is something that starts from a very easy level, which counts as a warm-up and eventually reaching at a max hit, and then repeat in a reverse order, which acts as a cool down. Means if you start some exercise, for example, if you start doing a push-up, you start it with a low intensity, less number of push-ups, and then you eventually grow doing harder and more push-ups, and then reach at its peak, and then reduce the number of push-ups from top to bottom. So it's like warm up to top, and then again at the high intensity to a lower level. So this is like a cool down phase for your body. For example, if you continue the pyramid workout pattern and build up to level 10 meaning 10 pull-ups, 20 push-ups and 30 sit-ups into 10. So on the peak of the pyramid, then you will have been completed the entire pyramid. So that is 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups and 300 sit-ups. So this is the when you, into 10, I mean to say 10 pull-ups, 20 push-ups and 30 sit-ups into 10. So this is a 10th level. So when you reach at 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups and 300 sit-ups, you again reverse the same pattern and come down from the pyramid. And then also you can opt for other ab exercise. If you cannot really come down with the same intensity, in between you can have a bracket of 10 minutes and have other ab exercise or abdominal exercises. This will help your body to go in high intensity workouts, and then this will definitely help you to boost your metabolism. Another tip for fitness which I would like to give for them is PT supersets. Supersets is a series of exercise to be repeated with no rest in between. Like as I said, we can have a bracket of 10 minutes for doing an ab workout in the pyramid workout pattern, but here there would be no rest in between. So push-ups and sit-ups should be 300 repetitions each, and pull-ups in between would be 5 to 100 repetitions. So both push-ups and sit-ups will be 300. So first you start with 300 push-ups. In between you have 5 to 100 repetition of pull-ups, and then again you have 300 sit-ups. So this is how you do a PT superset. For an upper body, you're doing 10 crunches. You have to rest your push-up muscle by doing 10 crunches in between, and it takes 2 minutes for one superset. So if you repeat this 5 times, if you repeat this set of PT superset, so it would be around 150 push-ups, 200 crunches in 10 minutes. So it is just a matter of 10 minutes and you can achieve a hell lot of fitness level in your body. So I request all the officers to not to complain that they don't have time. They can really do it in 20 minutes a day, and by changing some food choices. Another tip for them is maximum PT for intermediate levels. For some officers who are at an intermediate level, who were exercising before and who are not now exercising, for them I would suggest 50 pull-ups, 150 push-ups and 200 sit-ups. For advanced level, I would suggest 100 pull-ups, 250 push-ups and 300 sit-ups. Time limit for each exercise will be 2 minutes per exercise. So just imagine the speed of your push-ups and pull-ups you will be into, and what would be the intensity of your workout. So for an increased difficulty, for an max PT supersets, what you can add is a 1/4 or 1/5 mile run during each cycle. So this will increase your difficulty and your intensity, and definitely this is the best thing, a best way of an workout, a good way to do cardio as well. This 1/4 or 1/5 mile of running in between supersets. So this will definitely increase your VO2 max, your cardiac output, and the whole cardiovascular system of your body will be boosted. And other more important thing is to maintain this fitness. So maintenance plan is really important, because you if you have a goal, you tend to achieve that goal with hard work, and then again go on a lazy routine, and then stop following this workout patterns, or stop following the proper diet regime. So how to maintain this fitness and nutritive levels of your body is very important. So to maintain this cardiovascular system and muscular endurance with limited time and limited resources is very important. So here I have suggested very few and easy tips which each and every police officer or anyone who is having less time can follow. Just 20 minutes of high intensity workout and swapping some food options with their original food choices can definitely achieve them their fitness level. It's really important for all the officers to be healthy, because if you people are healthy, you're gonna protect us for a longer time and protect your family, as well as stay dedicated for your country. This video would be useful to all the police officers of the country. For any query, please come and you can get back to me post this session. We'll have a healthy long life. Jai Hind.
ऐसे ही कुछ और यूजफुल वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा चैनल महानगर मेल न्यूज, और इन वीडियोस को अपने दोस्तों से शेयर करना ना भूलें। लाइक जरूर करें और साथ ही प्रेस करें बेल आइकन, ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारे हर नए वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन।